Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to use Kaggle to transition into data science career. Okay, so let's get started. So we all know that Kaggle is one of the largest platform and it's one of the famous community in order to transition, in order to build your data science career. Okay, so Kaggle is one of the largest platform where you can get the data sets, you can participate in the competitions, you can post, you can upload your Kaggle notebooks. For example, like whatever the projects you have done that you can upload it on the Kaggle platform. Also, you can be a part of the discussions with respect to the data science and data science community. Okay, so now let's try to explore the Kaggle platform. So this is my Kaggle profile. So here you can see some of the sections like the competitions, datasets, notebooks, discussions, and all, as I told you already. Okay, so let's imagine that you are already into some other background. For example, like you are into some other non-technical background, you are into some other domain, and you want to transition into the data science. Okay, so whenever you want to transition into the data science, what you will do is like you will do some courses, you will do some kind of certifications, you will learn some skills like Python, SQL, machine learning, deep learning, and all. Okay, so the main thing what you need whenever you want to transition into the data science is that you have to do some of the end-to-end projects, some of the end-to-end POC projects like proof of concept projects that you will do it once you have done your project. You will write it in your resume, you will mention it in your resume, then you will start getting the interview calls, the recruiters will ask you the questions based on your project and all, then you will transition into the data science. Okay, so the question is like how to do the data science projects. Okay, so if you want to do the data science projects, you have to get the data sets. So you need the data. Okay, so the question is like where will I get the data and how will I get the idea to do the project and all. Okay, so for that you can use the Kaggle platform where you can download the data sets. Okay, so here you can see the section called the data sets. Go to the data sets and here you can search for the any kind of the data set you want. Like you can just get some kind of basic data sets and here you can see CSV file, JSON files, SQLite, BigQuery and all. So here what you can do is like you can select some of the basic CSV files and here you can select the size of the file in the volume, like whether you want the dataset size to be in MBs, KBs or the GBs. Okay, so for example, if you ask me like try to start with some of the basic data sets. Okay, for example, like as I will tell you, like you can start with the breast cancer. So try to understand the basics. Okay, so here you can see the data sets with respect to the breast cancer and some kind of data sets related to like flight price prediction and all. Okay, so once you go to the data set, here you can download the data set. Once you download the data sets, you can work on those data set. Try to do the project end to end. Start building the model. So once you are done with that project, try to upload that project into the Kaggle platform. So here you can see the code file. So here you can see some of the people have already uploaded those projects on the Kaggle platform. Okay, so this is how you can start using the Kaggle. So I will just try to explore some of the other sections. So here you can see some of the competitions. So you can participate in the competitions like, so here you can see the various competitions you can participate, then you will be a part of the leaderboard. Okay, so you can also upload the notebooks. As I told you, like you can upload those project files. That one is code, and the discussion is like the part of the discussion. Like there are so many people across the globe who are in the Kaggle platform. They will be discussing with respect to the Kaggle and some of the projects related to the data science and all. Okay, so Kaggle is the most famous platform and it's world's largest data science community where you can use it. You can also use the Kaggle platform as a portfolio in order to transition into the data science. Okay, so this is how you can use the Kaggle to transition into the data science career. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.